guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, aka Pink-UniBudgetz, and here we are doing our weekly check-in. I try to do these so I can watch my spending on my cash envelopes. And if you are new here, thank you so much for clicking on my channel, and thank you so much for being here. So today we are starting right now. Let's see, because we started with this amount. And I think it was 35 I decided to cash stuff. Sorry guys. Okay, so let's get into it. So for gas we have $20 left. So we have $10, $15, $20. Groceries, we have $25. So I'm gonna put these in the remaining amounts. So gas, we said we had 20. Groceries, we had 25. Spending only has $1. Fast food has $10. Blessings, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. $5. Big Girl Snacks. I still have 25. And then self-care, the Medi Pedi and my lashes. I still have 15 is what we put in last week. And lashes still has $20, so it's 35 total. 35 total. We got some coins. And it's kind of drought, and it's like weird, weary. It's kind of drowsy today too, so it's not as sunny, so that's why you see the light. I have my light on. Put my envelope to the side. All right, this is $69, give or take. So alrighty. So for weekly spending, we just are gonna see how much we spent in cash. 65, 75, 15, spent 24 blessings, and spend any. Big girl snacks, we spend any, and we still have 35 total in self-care. So that is this is the week of January, I think was 18, 17, 16th. And then next week we will come back to see how much we have left before I restuff them with the cash. And we'll see how much we actually saved. So I think we're doing pretty good. So we're just gonna keep going. So all right, I know it's a pretty short video, but that's all I got for you guys today. And I'm gonna just go ahead and track my spending, but I need my phone for that. That's why I want to invest in getting a camera. But thank you so much for clicking on my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. And I'll see y'all later. Bye.